Hello, sir, you are not audible.
Hello, hello.
Yes,
My
sir.
voice is audible.
Yes,
Please
sir.
reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for disturbance. This is the details of diaphragm gauges. Any problem regarding this second pressure measurement devices like as diaphragm pressure gauge? If you have any question, any doubt, ask me or text in chat box. If you have no any doubt, then write down the diaphragm gauges under the heading diaphragm gauges. Write down first point in diaphragm gauges. A diaphragm is a thin plate of circular shape clamped firmly around its degree. Before writing, I can explain once again because some voice problem is there. So see in diaphragm pressure gauge, here four different types of probes are used, like as dish, flat, coagulated, and capsules are used to measure the different types of pressure equipment. Like as here, this dish, flat, coagulated capsules are mounted, and here the pressure connection. If air pressure is transferred to this connection, this bellow get compressed and expand. This bellow is connected with spring, and this connection are connected to the connecting link, and connecting link are connected to the pinion gear with the help of rack and pinion arrangement, and this pinion arrangement connected to the hairspring with the help of pointer. Okay, when pressure is get compressed, this bellow get compressed, this connecting link deflect its movement, then mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy get display the digital number on meter board. Okay, So write down diaphragm pressure gauges. In that first point, a diaphragm is a thin plate of circular shape clamped firmly around its edges. Full stop. And next line, the diaphragm gets deflected in accordance with the pressure differential across the side, deflection being towards the low pressure side, with low pressure side, in bracket with the help of bellow, in bracket with the help of bellow. Full stop. And next line, the deflection can be sensed by an appropriate displacement transducer, that is, it may be converted into electrical signal or may undergo a mechanical amplification to permit display of the output on an indicator dial. Full stop. And next line, the diaphragm pressure gauge consists of circular membrane made from sheet metal of precise dimensions which can either be flat or coagulated. Full stop. And next line, the diaphragm is mechanically connected to the transmission mechanism which will amplify the small deflection of the diaphragm and transfer them to the pointer. Third and next pressure measurement device, give the heading piezoelectric pressure gauge. Piezoelectric pressure gauge. Give the heading piezoelectric pressure gauge. And under this heading, draw this diagram. Piezoelectric pressure gauge. All of you, please draw this diagram. piezoelectric pressure gauge, Completed? Anyone reply me if diagram is completed? Yes, sir. Okay. So see the construction working of piezoelectric pressure gauge. Here evacuated tube is there, input pressure, and here pressure sensor member means springs are placed, and this pressure sensor member are connected to the this crystal box. In here, in crystal box are mainly cords are used to senses the input pressure, and this input vibrations means input pressure senses these quotes, and these quotes transfer the electromotive force with this circuit diagram and display the digital reading. Okay, once again, so input pressure, this pressure is applied on this pressure sensor member like a spring, and this pressure sensor member are connected to this crystal box. In crystal box, in that mainly quotes are used to absorb this vibrations of pressure sensor member, and these vibrations are converted in electric energy, and this electric energy display the output in the digital board. Okay, here see the description. A piezoelectric sensor is a device that uses the piezoelectric effect to measure the changes in pressure, acceleration, temperature, stress, or by force by converting them into electrical charges. Okay, means these mechanical vibrations are converted into electrical form, and this electrical form display in digital board with the pressure in bar. Okay, the diaphragm is mechanic, sorry, mainly quartz is the commonly used crystal in piezoelectric transducers. Already told you, this crystal produce electromotive force when subjected to displacement, means displacement means final output. This principle is used to measure the unknown pressure in piezoelectric pressure transducer. Construction of this gauge consists of piezoelectric crystal placed between the solid base and the pressure sensing element like diaphragms. Okay, these are the construction working and principle of the piezoelectric pressure gauge. Here only description, then advantages, disadvantages, and application. Okay, so if you're getting all points, then write down. And if you have any doubt, any questions, ask me directly or text in chat box. Okay. So no any message or any question, then write down. A piezoelectric sensor or device that uses the piezoelectric effect to measure changes in pressure, acceleration, temperature, strain, or force by converting them to an electrical charge. Full stop and next line. Quartz is the most commonly used crystal. Quartz is the most commonly used crystal for piezoelectric transducer. For piezoelectric transducer. Full stop. And next line. These crystal produce EMF when subjected to displacement. Full stop. And next line. This principle is used to measure unknown pressure in piezoelectric pressure transducer. Construction of this gauge consists of piezoelectric crystal placed between a solid base and the pressure sensing element like diaphragm. And the pressure sensing element like diaphragm. Next, advantages of piezoelectric pressure gauge. First, they are compact in size. Second, range is 0 to 20 MPa. And third, used to measure very high pressure that change very rapidly for example pressure in IC engine, compressor, etc. Pressure in IC engine, compressor, etc. Disadvantages of piezoelectric pressure gauge. First, this transducer cannot measure static pressure. This transducer cannot measure static pressure. Means, see the example of IC engine and compressor. These are the dynamic conditions. So piezoelectric pressure gauge do not measure the static pressure. Then second, they are sensitive to temperature changes. They are sensitive to temperature changes. Means temperature increases or decreases, this directly affect on this pressure. These are the advantages and disadvantages of piezoelectric pressure gauge. Then next, application of piezoelectric pressure gauge. Application of piezoelectric pressure gauge. Write down. These are used in various applications they are used in various applications such as in medical, aerospace, nuclear instrumentation, and as a tilt sensor in as a tilt sensor in consumer electronics or a pressure sensor in the touchpad of mobile phone or a pressure sensor in the touchpad of mobile phones. Full stop. And second, in automotive industry, piezoelectric elements are used to monitor combustion when developing internal combustion engines. When developing internal combustion engines. And last point, the sensors are either directly mounted the sensors are either directly mounted into additional holes into the cylinder head or the spark oblique glow plug is equipped with a built-in miniature piezoelectric sensor. Okay, so these are the overview of piezoelectric pressure gauge. So today we are going to cover three pressure gauge. First one is Bourdon tube pressure gauge. Second one is diaphragm pressure gauge, and third one is a piezoelectric pressure gauge. Wait, Rupesh, roll number 61. If you have any doubt, any question, any problem regarding this today's two lecture?
No, sir.
So any doubt, any question, ask me directly or text in chat box. No problem, sir. Okay. '61. Any problem? B division. No problem. Okay. So any problem regarding teaching, explanation, or writing, or any suggestions? If you have, text me here or in my personal WhatsApp number. Any doubt, any question? Okay, no problem. So due to Sunday and today our two lectures, so today stop here. Division A, place your roll number and leave the meeting. Division B. Thank you very much.